Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best big green egg rib rack. A must-have for anyone serious about smoking and grilling. Whether you're cooking baby back ribs, spare ribs, or even St. Louis-style ribs, this stainless steel rib rack is designed to elevate your grilling experience and deliver perfectly cooked ribs every time. First, let's talk about the build quality. This rib rack is made from 100% 304 stainless steel, which means it's not only durable but also food safe, ensuring your meals stay hygienic. The stainless steel construction ensures it holds up under high heat, which is essential when you're smoking ribs at high temperatures for hours. The sleek silver finish looks great and is sturdy enough to withstand heavy-duty grilling. But what really sets this rib rack apart is its design. The rack is designed to hold your ribs upright, which is a game-changer when it comes to evenly cooking them. With ribs standing on their sides, smoke can easily circulate all around, ensuring that each rack gets that delicious, smoky flavor on every surface. It also creates a bit of space between the racks, allowing them to cook evenly without touching each other. The spacing between the slots is just perfect, about 2 inches, which works for all types of ribs, whether you're grilling small baby backs or larger spare ribs. You can fit up to 5 racks of ribs on this at once, making it perfect for big cookouts or family gatherings. And because the ribs are held upright, it's easier to manage the cooking process and ensure your ribs don't fall over while cooking. The versatility of this rack extends beyond just grilling on a big green egg. It works perfectly on other Kamado grills, including the Kamado Joe, Weber Smoky Mountain, and other 18 inches or larger grills. But it doesn't stop there. This rib rack also performs well in indoor ovens, so you can use it year-round, no matter the weather. You can also use it for roasting chicken, turkey, or even ham, making it a great multi-functional accessory for all your cooking needs. One of the biggest benefits of this rib rack is how easy it is to clean. After you've smoked up a batch of delicious ribs, you'll appreciate how simple it is to maintain. Just scrub off the larger chunks, and then toss it in the dishwasher. This means more time to enjoy the party and less time spent scrubbing after your cookout. This rack is also light and portable, so if you're someone who loves tailgating, picnicking, or grilling at friends' houses, this rib rack is the perfect companion. Its size and design make it easy to transport without worrying about it tipping over or taking up too much space. In conclusion, the best big green egg rib rack is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys smoking and grilling ribs to perfection. Its sturdy design, even cooking capability, and easy cleanup make it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned pitmasters alike. Whether you're a fan of the big green egg, Kamado Joe, or any other grill, this rib rack will help you elevate your grilling game. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews.